Yep. On a cold day, nothing like a warm plate of water. Mango says, yep, bath time. I'll take a little bath today. So, not sure if she'll completely submerge, but she does seem to. Sometimes she'll lay down in there, just kind of take a little soak, right? If she gets it over her back, I'd be surprised. Yeah, having a good time. It's like July. No, it's not July. It's January. What am I saying? That's a wet bird. January. I think it's the 13th, 2026. After this, she'll climb up and she'll take a little dry off at the top.